Welcome back again, man. Welcome to the channel, man. I'm working on I got this 2015 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. Okay, now y'all know this car came out, this Jeep came out in 2014, but I got a problem with the windshield washer. You know, some people take their windshield washers very seriously, and this is one of those customers. Anyway, it doesn't work. So what I'm gonna do is go over the procedure that I went through to find out why it doesn't work. It may seem like a simple thing to you, but like I say, some people take this highly serious. So what I'm gonna do is bring the camera down and go over a few things with you. Now, with any kind of electrical problem that's fuse protected, first thing you want to do is check the fuses. Okay, but the unique thing about this car is the fuse or the electrical circuits to the windshield washer system is provided by the BCM. Okay, and the BCM is inside the car. So what I'm gonna do, or what I ended up doing, was in order you can gain access to the windshield washer pump, and basically through this cover right here. You can take this cover off, and you can easily pull off the connector to the washer pump. All right there. Now what I'm gonna do, go over with you, is the testing procedure. I got my test lead. I'm using a test light. I got my test lead on the ground supply. So what I'm gonna do is check for power supply at the front pump. This pump operates the front and the rear washer circuit. So I'm gonna leave that, try to set that right there, and I'm gonna go inside and turn the washer on and see if it lights. Okay, so let's do it. All right, here's the washer switch. This system simply pull upwards and the washer shall operate. So what I'm gonna do is pull now. As you can see, my test light lighting, pull, release, pull, release. Now what that tells me is I'm getting power supply to my pump. Now, as with any electrical circuit or electrical motor, like I said, you have to have power supply and ground. So what I end up doing is, or what I have here is a brand new washer pump that I'm fixing to install. So now you can go the other route and reverse your test lead and put it on this and check for ground. But because I have a new pump, I'm simply going to plug it in and see and operate it that way. That way I know I have power supply and ground at the connector. Okay, so let me get this on here and go inside and operate the switch and see if the washer motor work. Okay, here we go. Y'all hear that? Yes. So now I have windshield washer operation. Okay, that's all the customer wants, is for her windshield washers to work. All right, people, and let me give you a quick heads up when you're replacing one of these. Okay, this is the actually washer pump right here, focus pin. Okay, I mean, don't look complicated. Just simply pull this out and push in a new one. But one thing I want you to be aware of: make sure you get a new grommet. All right, this is the grommet to go in the actual water bottle, and it does not come with the new pump. So make sure you order a new washer bottle grommet for the washer pump. All right, this is the old washer pump. Like I say, it's not simply because I had to fight with this one, and I may have split the grommet. But if in any case, make sure you get a new grommet for it. All right, okay. That's all I have, man. Real simple diagnosis on a real important issue to some customers, and it's okay. You pay a lot of money for your vehicle. You want everything to work. All right, so that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.